kitchen there, duck plucker. 400 Diamond being nosy, just want to know what's going on in your kitchen there, 410. Sound like you're frying more than a little bit of fish there, man. Sound like you're frying a whole lot more than just a bit of fish there, 410. Mermaid swinging around your radio, man. The mermaid swinging around your radio while you're cooking fish. Maybe she want a bit of the action. Call it what you will, but you're sounding good there, 400 in this hood. Blackdiamond said that. Don't you forget it now. Aloha. Black Diamond, man. Well, aloha to you, my friend. You sounding good right around 400 station too, man. Aloha to you, and God bless you and the family. And Merry Christmas, Black Diamond, 400. Yeah, Merry Kalikimaka to you too, my brother. Take it on easy there. Good to hear you. Good to see. I heard you just before Christmas, so I can say it just as well then, my friend. Take it on easy, Diamond. I'm back 10-6, man. Aloha. Soldier boy, man. What's up there, soldier boy? Hope so well on your end, soldier boy. Diamond, man. Aloha. Hey, well done, Black Diamond. I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Black Diamond, been a little while, my friend. Black Diamond, old super duck moving to our Yeah, man, you can get it in there, super duck, man, and I'm pretty damn sure you know you can there, man, because you got a force, man, no one want to be reckoned with there, that's for real. Hey, super duck, you can get in there anytime, anyway, anyhow, you got it in right about now. I just got down. Hey, Diamond, yeah. Hey, Daddy's all right, my friend. I smoke you on purpose, man. What's going on, man? My TV is all good kind of stuff, bro. Take it outside, Black Diamond. Super Duck said crack. Come on, we need your bill. Super Duck, man. You said crack there, Duck Pluck. I got you 20 dBs, man, so you're sounding loud as hell, man, while you're getting it down here on my neck of the woods there, man. Sounding grand, 10-0 grade, that's for real. Super Duck, keep up the good work. And Merry Kalikimaka to you too, Diamond Gold. Oh, and he's got big old, the big sound. Yeah, audio junkie, man. I heard you just, man. I heard you just in there, man. I'll tell you what, you're neck and neck with that duck plucking super duck there, right? Hello. I just want to see these things duck plucking working around the band and there, man. I just want to make sure these duck pluckers working across the duck plucking band and that's really cool. These fuck big duck plucking sound on the sunny front. That's from the big bad squid, man. And the amigos, the great big duck plucking egos. I'll be working this great big duck plucking sound. Hey, watching me chop him off. Watch me chop off that amigo with the big ego. Now, you tell him the news there, man. Hey, super duck, hey, audio junkie, you tell them the news. Amigos with their egos don't quite cut it around here there, man. Hey, just cool cruise it. No attitude there, man. Just keep on cool and chilling. Hey, super duck. Hey, audio junkie, Diamond just got down. And the rain's too cool. There's great big duck fucking sound on the sunny side. Hey, Super Duck, I hope you got a gate roller, man, so I can see myself on your end. Chop that duck right up there like that. I hope you got a gate rolling so I can chop that duck like that. Just like that there, man, like barbecue on the squid.
The way I chop it, the way I marinate it, hey, Super Dark Diamond Gold. You gotta aim it down there, Brass Monkey, man. You smoking there, man. You steaming. Woo! Man alive, man. You coming in hard there, bro. Merry Christmas, man. And you said you like the man's coming. Gotta watch out. Merry Christmas. Without a doubt. Hey, Brass Monkey, do your thing, because you're doing it right. Aloha.
My favorite dog. Oh, alright. Aloha, aloha, aloha. Have a good one, man. Merry Christmas. Put it on you when you can. I'm back.
Too easy, man. I don't know what you've done there, audio junkie. Could be a Maui conditioned thing, man. It might just be it. But man, you got the Duck Luck and Talk Show going on. You got my radio there, man. And it's just nothing but the Brass Monkey Talk Show right about now over there, baby.
Oh, boy. Yeah, I gotta be Mother Nature. She gotta stay up. I gotta be Mother Nature. Mother Nature's doing it right for me, man. She like me. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Alright. Put it on you later. Aloha.
Like you said, man. Woo, 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 woo. Alright. And it is alright. Man, I hear, I'm sure it's Super Duck scratching you, man. I'm sure it's him, but he ain't quite just got it there, man. You got sole control with this radio, bum bum.
Hey, Blackdiamond, what are you talking about, man? I never even keyed.
Hey, Super Duck, man, I was right the first time. Yeah, force you don't want to be reckoned with. Man, I thought you were, I really did. I thought you were, but you weren't there, man. Someone was coming in 20, 30 dBs with him, man. But you just come in there, man, Duck Plugger, with a 30D danger, and you took the show right out, Super Duck, going.
Well, Blackdiamond, I just wanted to keep it straight, amigo. I wasn't on that key, man. I was out